Hello, my name is Tracy Allen and I want to welcome you to Cooking with Some Friends. Hi everyone, and how are you this evening? Welcome to Cooking with Some Friends. My husband was in the background doing some weird things to try to get me tickled. But anyway, butter pecan cornbread is going to be part of what I'm making today. So I've been busy in the kitchen most of the day, but this one's super simple. So you're gonna start with your favorite sweet cornbread mix. And I like Krusteaz, but you can use whatever is your favorite. And I've sprayed my 8x8 pan. And now I'll show you how I'm going to put those ingredients together. Okay, so I have my cornbread mix in my bowl, and to that I'm going to add 3 eggs. I'm preheating my oven right now, and you do that according to your package directions. So this says 375 for 25 to 28 minutes. So I've got my 3 eggs. I'm also going to add 1 cup of milk and a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. And then I'm going to put in about 1 cup of chopped pecans. I want to mix that together. And then I'm going to put 1 stick of butter that I've melted. I'm going to pour that in here. My mix and ingredients are ready for my melted butter. Put that in. Mix this up. Put it in my pan that I've prepared, and then bake this for 25 minutes and then check it periodically. And that's all there is to our butter pecan cornbread. Thanks for joining us for this session of Cooking with Some Friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And find us on Facebook at Cooking with Some Friends.